Welcome to Tungal Online Classes. See students, in the last class, we are already started that sequence and series, the first exercise, and we are completed that 5 questions. So let us continue the next question. See that what is the question number 6. So see the question number 6, write the first 5 terms in each of the sequence, the same question. They are giving the nth term. What is the nth term is? So nth term is nothing but n into n square plus 5 by 4. So they are given the nth term. They are asking you have to calculate the nth term, that is first 5 terms. So just replace, take the nth term first. An is equal to n into n square plus 5 by 4. Just replace that n values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n is equal to 1, you will get a first term. N is equal to 2, you will get the second term. If n is equal to 3, you will get the third term, and n is equal to 5, you will get the fifth term. So first I will take n is equal to 1. What happens? A1 is equal to 1 into 1 square plus 5 by 4. So 1 plus 5 is a 6, 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. So see the question number 2. So that is the second term, not the question number, that is the second term. What is the second term? Second term is nothing but A2. So what is the A2? Just replace n is equal to 2. So what happens? A2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 5 by 4. So in the place of n, we are replaced n is equal to 2. What happens? 2 into 2 square plus 5 by 4. So 2 square value is a 4. 4 plus 5 is nothing but a 9. So that is nothing but a 2 into 9 by 4. Just cancel with a 2, and here 4 will be cancelled for 2 times. So it will become 9 by 2. Similarly, I will take n is equal to 3. So if n is equal to 3, we will get A3. So that is nothing but 3 into 3 square plus 5 by 4. So that is nothing but the 3 square. 3 square is a 9 plus 5 is nothing but a 14. So that is nothing but a 3 into 14 by 4. 14 by 4 value is nothing but a 7 by 2. So 3 into 7 by 2, that value is nothing but 21 by 2. So next we will calculate fourth term. Just replace n is equal to 4. So what happens? A4 is equal to 4 into 4 square plus 5 by 4. So what is the 4 square value? 4 square is 16 plus 5 is nothing but 21. And here the 4 will be cancelled. It will become the 21. So see the next term. N is equal to 5. You will get the fifth term. So A5 is equal to, what is the A5 value? 5 into 5 square plus 5 by 4. So 5 square is a 25. 25 plus 5 is nothing but a 30. 30 by 4. So 5 into 30 by 4. So that is the 30 by 4 value is nothing but a 15 by 2. Cancel with the 2. You will get that 15 by 2 into 5. So it will become 75 by 2. So then what is the first 5 terms of the sequence are 3 by 2, comma 9 by 2, comma 21 by 2, and 21 and 75 by 2. These are the 5 terms of this sequence. All are understood, students? So in the previous class, we are already started this. See the next question, question number 7. So see that one. In this question, what they are giving that? So they are giving the nth term. So they are given the nth term. An is equal to 4n minus 3. So what they are asking, find the indicated terms. So that meaning is they are asking, you have to calculate A17 and A24. So what is A17? A17 is nothing but 17th term, and A24 is nothing but a 24th term of the given sequence. So they are given the nth term. They are asking you how to calculate the 17th term and 24th term of the sequence. So for that one, I will take that the given nth term. First, I will take that nth term. An is equal to 4n minus 3. So I have to calculate A17. For this one, just take n is equal to 17. So we will get that on substitution of n is equal to 17. Just replace the 17 in this one. What you will get that one? A17, that is nothing but 4 into 17 minus 3. 4 into 17, that value is nothing but the 68. minus 3. So that value is nothing but 65. So similarly, they are asking you have to calculate the 24th term. So for the 24th term, what we will do that one? Just replace n is equal to 24. So see the next one. On substituting n is equal to 24. On substituting n is equal to 24. What we will get? A24 that is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3. So 4 into 24 is nothing but the 96 minus 3. So that value is nothing but 93. So all you understand students, here they are giving the nth term. They are asking you have to calculate that indicated terms. Similar question, 8th question. See the question number 8. So what is the question number 8 is find the indicated terms each of the sequence whose nth term is an is equal to n square plus 2 power n. They are asking calculate A7. They are asking you have to calculate the 7th term. So for this 7th term, what we will calculate that one? So first take the nth term. What is the given? Nth term is nothing but an is equal to n square by 2 power n. Just substitute n is equal to 7. We will get that a7 value. What is that one? Just replace n is equal to 7 in this term. What you will get that one? A7 that is equal to 7 square by 2 power 7. 7 square value is nothing but 49. 2 power 7 is nothing but 128. All are understanding students? See the question number 9. So this is also same question. Find the indicated term whose nth term is an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. They are asking calculate ninth term. For this one, first take the what is the term they are given an value. After taking the n value, just replace n is equal to 9. So I'm substituting n is equal to 9. What we will get that? Just replace this n value, that is the 9 value in this one. You will get the ninth term. So that is nothing but a9 is equal to minus 1 power 9 minus 1 into 9 cube. So 9 minus 1 value is nothing but 8. So minus 1 power is an even number. So automatically this value will become the 1. So that is equal to 1 into 9 cube. 9 cube value is nothing but the 729. So 1 into 729. So that value will become 729. So that is the ninth question. They are given the nth term. They are asking calculate the ninth term. Just replace n is equal to 9. You will get the ninth term. So similarly, see the question number 10. Question number 10 is also same question. They are given the nth term. They are asking some indicated term. You have to find out. So what is that one? Find the indicated term. So A20. So they are given the nth term. They are asking calculate A20. 20th term they are asking. So an value. What is the an value? An value is nothing but n into n minus 3 by n plus 3, n minus 2, n into n minus 2 by n plus 3. So you have to calculate A20. So just to take that, what is the nth term is, they are already given the nth term. What is the nth term here? Just on substituting n is equal to 20. Just substitute n is equal to 20 in the nth term. So what you will get that one? A20. And in the place of n, just replace 20. So what is that value is? 20 into 20 minus 2 by 20 plus 3. So that is nothing but 20 into 20 minus 2 by 20 plus 3. That is nothing but the 20 minus 2 is nothing but the 18 by 23. So that is nothing but just multiply with 20. So that value is nothing but 360 by 23. So this is also same question. They are given the nth term. They are asking calculate 20th term of the sequence. So just replace n is equal to 20 in the given nth term. Just you will get the 20th term. So see that one. See the question number 11 and see that one. Write the first 5 terms. Write the first 5 terms. each of the sequence in the exercise question number 11 to 13. That means 11, 12 and 13, and obtain the corresponding series. They're asking you have to write the first 5 terms. Question number 11, 12, 13. Okay. So see that one here. 11th question. What is the 11th question is? They are already given A1 and they are already given the nth term also, AN. What is A1? A1 is equal to 3 and they are given the nth term. What is the nth term is? AN is equal to 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2. 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than 1. N is equal to 1, they are already given the value, A1 value. From A2, you have to calculate. Okay. So, start students first here, what they are given that AN value is 3 into AN minus 1 plus 2 and also A1 is equal to 3. So, you have to get the first 5 terms. For the first 5 terms, what we will calculate that one by substituting n is equal to 2, you will get the second term. And already they are given the first term, so you have to start with the second term. So n is equal to 2, you will get the second term. If n is equal to 3, you will get the third term. N is equal to 4, you will get the fourth term. And n is equal to 5, you will get the fifth term. So start that one here. Then we will start that one here. What is the numbers? First, I will start A2. In the place of n, I will replace n is equal to 2. What happens? If n is equal to 2, what happens? See that one? My A2 is equal to 3 into AN minus 1. If n is equal to 2, n minus 1 will become the 1 only. N is equal to 2, n minus 1 is 1 plus 2. That is equal to, already you know the value of A1. A1 value is a 3. Replace that value here. 3 into 3 plus 2, that is equal to 11. So this is the second term. Next, I will take third term, n is equal to 3. So what is that one is? If n is equal to 3, what happens? N is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 3 into AN minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is the 3 into A2 plus 2. So already you know the A2 value. What is the A2 value? A2 value is 11. Just replace that value here. So it will become 3 into 11 plus 2. So that value is nothing but the 33 plus 2. That is nothing but 35. All are understand, student? See the next, n is equal to 4. What is that? If n is equal to 4, it will become A4. A4 is equal to 3 into A4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So A4 value, it will become 3A3 plus 2. So already you are calculated A3. A3 value is a 35. Just replace the value here. 3 into 35 plus 2. So 3 into 35 is nothing but 105. 105 plus 2, that is nothing but 107. So similarly, you can calculate n is equal to 5. So if n is equal to 5, what happens? So see that one, n is equal to 5, you will get the fifth term. A5 is equal to, so A5 is equal to 3 into A5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 value is 4. So A5 is equal to 3A4 plus 2. A4 value is 107. Replace that value here. So 3 into 107 plus 2. 3 into 107 plus 2. So 3 into 107 value is nothing but 321 plus 2. It will become 323. All are understanding, students? So they are given the nth term and also they are given the first term also. They are asking you how to calculate the first 5 terms. So the relation they are given between AN and AN minus 1. You can calculate any term here. So therefore, what we can declare that the first 5 terms in the sequence is 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323. So see the question number 12. So what is the question number 12 is? So in this question, what they are given that A1 is the first term is equal to minus 1 and nth term AN is equal to 2, that is nothing but 2, that is equal to AN minus 1 by N. an minus 1 by n for n greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means 2 or more. You can take the n values. 2 or more. So already n is equal to 1. They are already given the first term. You have to calculate a2, a3, a4 and a5. So start that one here. First I will calculate what is the terms they are given. Write down that one. Given what is the values they are given. An is equal to an minus 1 by n and a1 is equal to minus 1. Then first I will calculate a2. What is a2? N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. It will become a2 is equal to a2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will become a1. a1 by n. N value is 2. So you can replace that value. So a2 is equal to a1 by 2 by using this value. So a1 value they are already given in the question, that is equal to minus 1. So replace that minus 1 value here. So it will become minus 1 by 2. So next calculate a3. What is a3? So that value is nothing but a3 is equal, in the place of n, just replace n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3, what happens? a3 is equal to a3 minus 1. It will become a2 by n. N value is 3. So a2 value, what is the a2 value? A2 value is a minus 1 by 2 whole by 3. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 2 whole by 3. That will become minus 1 by 6. Similarly, calculate the fourth term also. So what is the a4? Just replace that n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4. a4 is equal to an minus 1. So 4 minus 1, it will become a3. So a3 by 4. Already you know the a3 value. A3 value is nothing but minus 1 by 6. Replace the value here. What you will get that minus 1 by 6 whole by 4. It will become minus 1 by 24. Similarly, we will calculate a5 also. So see that one, a5. What is the a5 is? a4 by 5. So a5 value is nothing but, if n is equal to 5, we will get that a5 minus 1 by 5. So that is nothing but a4 by 5. So already you are calculated a4 value. Just replace this value in this one. What you will get that minus 1 by 24 whole by 5. It will become 24 into 5. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 120. So therefore, what is the terms are, the first 5 terms are here for the sequence is nothing but minus 1 and minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 24 and minus 1 by 120. And also in this question they are asking you have to write down the corresponding sequence also. Minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus and so on. This is the sequence we are calculated. In this question they are asking you have to calculate you have to write down the corresponding series also. So minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus minus 1 by 120 plus and so on. And also in the previous question also they are asked the same question. See that one in the previous question, question number 11. So in this question also they are asking you have to write down the corresponding series. So in the previous question, question number 11, you have to write down this term also. So after calculating the 5 terms, 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323, hence the corresponding sequence, the corresponding series is you have to write down the sum. The sum of the sequence is nothing but the series. So that is you have to write down the series also. What is that one is 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 plus and so on. So after calculating the 5 terms, you have to write down the corresponding series also. In this one they are asking that one. So in the 11th question also write down the conclusion that So after calculating this one, okay. So calculating the first 5 terms, at the end you have to write down the series also. The same for the question number 12 also, you are already written that one. So that is nothing but the sequence is here, -1 plus -1 by 2 plus -1 by 6 plus -1 by 24 plus -1 by 120 plus and so on. All are understand, students? They are asking you have to calculate the first 5 terms. After calculating 5 terms, you have to write down the series. Also, just you have to take the sum of the sequences terms you are calculated. Just add the sum, you will get the series. So see the question number 13. So in this question, what they are given that A1 and A2 is equal to 2. A1 value is A2 value. Both are equal to 2. And also they are given the nth term. What is the nth term here? An is equal to an minus 1 minus 1 per n greater than 2. N greater than 2. That meaning is n is, you have to start with n value is from 3 only. Why? Because n value is strictly greater than 2. That means 3, 4, 5 and so on. So already A1 and A2 first 2 terms are given. So you have to calculate the remaining 3 terms, A3, A4 and A5. So start that one here. So first write down that what is the conditions they are given in the question. A1 value and A2 value is given, both are 2. Then and also they are given the nth term is an minus 1 minus 1. Then we have to calculate that A3 third term. How to get the third term is A3 is equal to, just replace that n is equal to 3. What happens? If n is equal to 3, it will become A3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. That meaning is it will become A2 minus 1. Already you know that what is the A2 value. A2 value is 2. Just replace that value here. So it will become 2 minus 1. It will become the 1 only. After getting this value, just replace that n is equal to 4. So what is that value? If n is equal to 4, what happens? So n is equal to 4. 4 minus 1, it will become the 3. So the problem will become A3 minus 1. So that is nothing but A3 value is 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. So it will become the 0. Similarly, calculate the fifth term. What is the fifth term is? Fifth term is nothing but A5. So what is the A5? A5 value is nothing but A4 minus 1. Why? Because 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 is nothing but the 4. So it will become A4 minus 1. What is the A4 value? A4 value is 0. So it will become 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. So therefore, what is the 5 terms are here? First one is a 2 and the second term is also 2. Third term is a 1 and the fourth term is a 0 and the fifth term is a minus 1. And also what is the corresponding series is nothing but take the sum. What is the sum is here? 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1 plus and so on. So this is the series of the given sequence. All are understood, students? So A1 and A2 first 2 terms are given and also they are given the nth term formula is also for n greater than 2. Next, see the question number 14. So in this question number 14, you can observe that one. So the Fibonacci sequence is defined by, they are given the one Fibonacci sequence. They are asking that you have to find out an plus 1 by an. When a1 and a2 both are equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 comma per n greater than 2. What they are asking? An plus 1 by an. They are not asking the terms you have to calculate directly. What is the terms they are asking? You have to calculate an plus 1 by an per n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if n is equal to 1, what happens here? Check this condition, a2 by a1. So you need a2 value and a1 value. If n is equal to 2, it will become a3 by a2. So you need a3 value and a2 value. if you can replace the 3, you have to calculate A3 by A4 by A3. So you need A4 value and A3 value. If you are substituted n is equal to 4, it will become A5 by A4. So you need to calculate A5 value, A4 value. If n is equal to 5, it will become A6 by A5. So you need to calculate A1 to A6 values first, then we can substitute these values here. Okay. So first start that one. What is the conditions they are given that one? See students, what they are given that one. So they are given one conditions, A1 value, A2 value, both are equal to 1. And also the nth term they are given like this. What is the relation is A n minus 1 plus A n minus 2, comma n greater than 2. For n greater than 2, they are defined A n like this one. Already A1 value, A2 value, already you know that. For n greater than 2, they are defined like this. So we will start with n is equal to 3. So for n is equal to 3, what happens? If n is equal to 3, I will take that n is equal to 3, it will become A3 minus 1, it will become the A2. A3 minus 2, it will become A1. So A3 value is A2 plus A1. Already you know that A1 value is 1 and A2 value is also 1. So you can observe that 1 plus 1, it will become the 2. See that next A4. What is A4 is? Just replace n is equal to 4, it will become A4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is a 3 and 4 minus 2 is a 2. So A4 value, it will become A3 plus A2. Already you know that what is the A3 value. A3 value is 2. You are already calculated that previously. And also you know that what is the A2 value is. See students, what is the A4? A4 is nothing but A3 plus A2. Already A3 value already you are calculated, that value is 2, and A2. A2 already they are given, A2 value is 1. Just replace that values here, 2 plus 1, it will become the 3 only. So after getting the A4, just calculate A5. What is the A5 value is? If n is equal to 5, it will become A5 minus 1 is A4. And A5 minus 2, A5 minus 2, it will become the 3 only. So that meaning is A5 value is A4 plus A3. A4 value is a 3 and A3 value is a 2. Replace that 2 values here, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Next, calculate A6 value. What is the A6 value? A6 value is nothing but, in the place of n, just replace 6. A6 is equal to A6 minus 1 is A5. A6 minus 2 is 4. So A6 is equal to A5 plus A4. A6 is equal to A5 plus A4. Already A5 value, already you know that is the 5. Already you know the A4 value is 3. Replace these two values in this one, what you will get that 5 plus 3, so it will become the 8 only. So they are already given A1 value and A2 values. We are calculated A3, A4, A5 and A6. So they are asking you have to calculate these values. What is that one? An plus 1 by An for n is equal to 1 to 5. So see that one. After calculating these values, we have to remember these ones. I will substitute these values in the next step. See that one. First, I will take that one for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. What is they are asking? An plus 1 by An for n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, it will become 1 plus 1, that is nothing but A2 by A1. So they are already given in the question A2 value and A1 values. Both are same, that is the 1 by 1. It will become the 1 only. So next take n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 2, what it will become? An plus 1 by An value. N is equal to 2, n plus 1 value, it will become the A3. and an is nothing but a2. a3 value you are already calculated in the previous slide. a3 value is 2 and a2 value is 1. So 2 by 1, so that is equal to 2. Replace the values. For n is equal to 3, take n is equal to 3. Next, an plus 1 by an. What is this value? An plus 1 by an value. N value is the 3, n plus 1, it will become the 4, and an is nothing but a3. So a4 by a3, you are already calculated these are two values. a4 value is the 3 and a3 value is 2. Just replace the values here. Next, see for n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, what happens? If n is equal to 4, an plus 1 by an. N value is 4. So an plus 1 is nothing but a4 plus 1 is a5 by an is nothing but a4. a5 value is 5 and a4 value is 3. Just replace the values here. It will become 5 by 3. Next, for n is equal to 5, just calculate an plus 1 by an. It will become a6 by a5. So a6 value you are already calculated, that is 8, and a5 is nothing but 5. So these for n is equal to 1 to 5, for n is equal to 1, an plus 1 by an value is 1. For n is equal to 2, an plus 1 by an value is 2. For n is equal to 3, an plus 1 by an value is 3 by 2. For n is equal to 4, an plus 1 by an value is 5 by 3. For n is equal to 5, an plus 1 by an value is 8 by 5. See students, once again the question. So what they are given that for the Fibonacci sequence is defined. They are defined the sequence. Already know that. I am already given the definition. So a1 value, a2 value both are equal to 1, and an is defined an minus 1 plus an minus 2 for n greater than 2. They are asking you have to calculate an plus 1 by an for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are taken that 5 value here, it will become a6 by a5. So you need a1 to a6. So just to take that a3 value, already a1 and a2 values are given. Just to take these values, start with a3 and calculate that a3, a4, a5 and a6. After calculating these values, just take that for n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. Calculate an plus 1 by an values. So an plus for n is equal to 1, the value is 1. For n is equal to 2, the value is 2. For n is equal to 3, the value is 3 by 2. For n is equal to 4, the value is 5 by 3. For n is equal to 5, the value is 5 by 5. So this is the end of your first exercise 9.1. And take these examples and complete these examples. It is example number 1. I am already posting that PDF in your WhatsApp groups. Just complete these questions. Example number 1, homework problems. Just complete these 3 questions and write down in your notes. Complete the notes perfectly in your notes. I will check after the completion of this lockdown. After starting the college, I will check the notes. Okay. So complete these 3 questions also. So what is the first question? Check that one. Write the first 3 terms in the following sequences. They are asking. They are already given that nth term an is equal to 2n plus 5 and an is equal to n minus 3 by 4. Just they are asking 3 terms. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Just replace the values. You will get the first 3 terms. Okay. So see the example number 2. So what is the 20th term in the sequence defined by? They are given that nth term. They are already given nth term. They are asking 20th term. So nth term is given. They are asking the 20th term. So just substitute that n is equal to 20. You will get the 20th term. See the example number 3. So let the sequence an be defined as follows. They are already defined the as follows. What is that one is? A1 is equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. First term is given. First term is given and they are asking, they are already given that, and they are already given that. So in this question, what they are asking, so a1 is given, a1 is equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2. They are asking that find the first 5 terms and write the corresponding series also. That meaning is we have to calculate a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5 and series. Series is nothing but the sum of the sequence. So after calculating the 5 terms, just add, write down the addition. So that is called the series. So we can complete these questions. We will continue in the next class, the arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions.